In this video, I'm going to cover what a plugin is and give you a couple of reasons why this set of videos on WordPress plugins is important. One reason is that I hope to remove any fears of using these software applications, also known as plugins, to enhance your WordPress core functionality. And two, I want to introduce or reintroduce you, in some cases, to some powerful WordPress plugins, what they can do for your site, and how to set them up, so if you choose to use them on your sites, you'll have an understanding of how to begin using them and where to get additional user instructions if needed. So what is a plugin? Well, according to WordPress.org, and you can follow along here if you want it, codex.wordpress.org/writing a plugin. Don't forget the capitalization and the underscores there. WordPress plugins allow easy modifications, customizations, and enhancement of a WordPress site. Instead of changing the core programming of WordPress, you can add functionality with WordPress plugins. And here's a basic definition. It goes on to say that a WordPress plugin is a program or a set of one or more functions written in the PHP scripting language that adds a specific set of features or services to the WordPress site, which can be seamlessly integrated with the site using access points and methods provided by the WordPress API or Plugin Application Program Interface. Basically, this says that a plugin is a program containing codes that when added or plugged into the WordPress site, it makes WordPress do more than it did without that plugin being added. Now, in the next several videos, we're going to look into how to choose the best plugin for your needs, and since there are tens of thousands of plugins, this will be important information to have. Plus, we're going to look into the process of testing the resource drain that your plugins can make on your WordPress site. And if a particular plugin sucks up too many resources, then you may want to look for a different plugin that does the same thing. Did I mention that there are tens of thousands of plugins available to choose from? Next, we'll look at the makeup of all plugins, and I'll make a plugin right before your eyes. Don't get too excited. The plugin won't do anything, but technically it will be a plugin. But for now, that's going to bring us to the end of this video on what is a plugin. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.